Hi, I'm Doug. I work with 20 great guys in St. Louis at Doug Jenkins Custom Hot Rods, and we're going to do some work for you today on ExpertVillage. Alex is drilling holes in each of the 3 pieces of trunk floor. You drill some holes in your pieces, and you stick these guys in there. They shrink when they go in the hole, and they expand when you let go.